How to track and display a visitor's geolocation information in PHP. Go to blog.ip2location.com. Search for Geolocation PHP. Select this article. In this tutorial, we'll need the IP2Location.io API key to query visitors' IP geolocation information. If you do not have one, please sign up for an API key at this link. Let's copy this code. Paste it into your file. You will need to replace your API key here. Log in to your IP2Location.io dashboard page. Copy your API key. Then, paste it here. On a live server, the script will automatically retrieve the visitor's IP address. I will insert the IP address manually as I'm testing it in my local host. Once done, save the file and name it as index.php. You can save this file in your desired project folder. Then, go to the browser and test the result. A pop-out box is shown and your visitor location is displayed. This is your user's geolocation information like country, region, district, city, and so on. Thanks for watching.